Hello Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, once again we are going to discuss the currently price of the Harmony One coin. What's the current price of Harmony? What's the price of Harmony? And this video we are going to discuss, and especially my friends, this video is going to be very interesting, very amazing, because in this video we are going to talk about the Harmony One coin future. Is Harmony will make you millionaire? Harmony will give you profit in the future or loss? Let's discuss in this video, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. The currently latest price of the Harmony at this time in the market as 0.0577 USD dollar. My friends, you know what, first of all I want to congratulate all of you, because now at this time the situation of the Harmony is going good. The 1 hour 1 day pricing of the Harmony is positive. That's why the situation is going good. And when I see, my friends, this kind of positive trends in the Harmony, so I hope that's not a big target for Harmony, 1 USD dollar. And the next one, my target for Harmony is 1 USD dollar. So 0.01 USD dollar, my target for Harmony one coin. And absolutely that will give you profit. Now from yesterday the Harmony start pumping, and hope they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Harmony. Wow, just look here, my friends, that is a quick jump. I think that Harmony have an idea to take a quick jump, and the last hour they start quick jumping. My friends, for Harmony holders there is a possibility, there's a lot of chances to they will take a huge pump, and especially, my friends, in the last half when every coin start pumping, same like that the Harmony start pumping, so we can't see what the future maybe price falls down more and more, but a lot of chances to the price will pump. And you know what, at this time my prediction is going positive, and I believe that they will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. That's why you really back there, they will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Harmony? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Always take care for more news and updates videos.